Well, unfortunately, the unemployment numbers will only continue to rise if businesses can't get help from the federal government. The initial $349 billion set aside is now gone. CBS 2's VInce Gerasole spoke to one business owner who managed to get some relief while others are wondering what to do next.
It's not a celebration, but it's a relief. Yeah.
Surrounded by vacant cubicles, Kelly Edling has been approved for an emergency government loan, and she's now breathing easier.
I can relax.
Edling's been paying 7 staffers with her accounting firm's savings. Federal funds from the Paycheck Protection Program, or PPP, will now fill that void.
It's the future that's kind of uncertain, but it's a great comfort.
A lot of our staff are close friends of ours. If you're able to help out, then you should.
It's why owner James Bateman also paid staff at Gadabout Restaurant from his company's savings.
And I got a job as a dishwasher, and I've been in the industry ever since.
He, too, was counting on a PPP loan from his bank.
We have not heard as of yet. It's not looking great, though.
Yeah. I'm going to say that's nervous laughter there, right?
Definitely.
In less than 2 weeks, every penny of the Paycheck Protection Program's $349 billion has been spoken for. Business owners have detailed to CBS 2 how complicated and ever-changing the application process was.
Without it, I have no idea how long we're going to be able to last.
Edling isn't sure what exactly led to her approval and can only guess.
I think it's important to have a good relationship with your bank.
The PPP was created by the CARES Act, which also included $25 billion in payroll grants, not loans, for the airline industry.
It's also kind of aggravating.
Small business owners like Bateman say the federal government can't ignore their needs because they are essential in turning the economy around.
They certainly need to realize that they need to put more money into this fund and make it easier for the businesses that are actually going to need it get it.
Now, Republicans in Washington are trying to add an additional $250 billion to PPP, but Democrats are opposing that unless there are also additional funds for hospitals and local municipalities. So while there is this stalemate in Washington, D.C., small businesses are still on the line.
Oh, so Vince, so many are struggling, not knowing where to turn, but what alternatives do these businesses have?
Okay, so through FEMA, the Federal Emergency Management Agency, there is a fund that's typically meant for disasters like tornadoes or hurricanes. It's called the Emergency Injury Disaster Loan. It used to be as much as $2 million. It's now been capped at $10,000, but it's still quite difficult to try to apply for that loan and get funding, although I did talk to a local business owner today who was able to get some of those funds. A $10,000 grant is what it comes to. It's not even a loan. In Chicago, there's the Resiliency Fund loans, $100 million. Every penny of that fund is already spoken for. And small businesses are saying that if this is retooled in the weeks ahead, maybe the definition of a small business should be altered. Right now on this first pass of the PPP, they were businesses up to 500 employees, perhaps maybe to reach the real small business owner, those who employ 5 to 30 people or 100 people. Maybe the cap has to be much lower when there's a definition of a small business, and maybe that could cut out some of the competition for these additional funds if and when Washington approves them.
All right. Thank you, Vince. And again, we are committed to working for Chicago and have a whole section on our website to help you find work and make that stimulus check stretch longer. Just search CBS Chicago, Working for Chicago.